Historical Reporting and Its Limitations. In this section, Ben Wright, Principal Solution Consultant and AI Specialist at Aptitude Software, explains the evolution of business reporting and explores the inherent limitations of traditional human-driven analysis.
Reports have been the core of human business analysis and decision making since ancient Sumeria, clay tablets with cuneiform recording trade, or the ancient Egyptians and their papyrus scrolls recording grain storage and tax assessments. But reporting as a practice has significant inherent limitations that are a result of a human analyst and their limitations that have just been accepted as reality, that is, until the advent of AI. So the chain of reporting has always been these 3 points: data to report to human, and back and forth between them. But at Aptitude, we are building a solution where AI gets introduced to this chain, significantly enhancing interaction between the 3 initial points. These reports, think balance sheets, income statements, or quarterly sales summaries, are typically generated periodically and are structured with fixed assumptions from the outset. This inherent rigidity means that the data is statically structured, and while some reports allow for a degree of interactivity, the scope of exploration of the data is limited by human factors such as our processing speed, our attention span, and cognitive biases that vary from individual to individual.
Advancements in reporting through AI. In this section, learn how AI is revolutionizing reporting by enabling dynamic data analysis and providing rapid, comprehensive insights with unprecedented flexibility.
Contrastingly, AI-enabled reporting revolutionizes this model by introducing dynamic adaptability to data analysis. Utilizing large language models like GPT-4, AI-enabled reporting transcends those traditional boundaries, offering a more fluid and interactive approach to data interrogation. These models process and analyze data at a speed unmanageable for humans, equivalent to reviewing hundreds of pages within seconds, providing rapid, comprehensive insights. This capability not only speeds up data analysis, but also enriches the contextual understanding of the data because you have to aggregate large data sets significantly less, allowing for a more nuanced and expansive exploration. The key thing, though, being contextual flexibility. So AI-enabled reports do not confine themselves to predefined structures. Instead, it adapts to the query at hand, offering customized insights based on real-time data and evolving business conditions that it can react to. This flexibility allows users to explore various scenarios and outcomes, adjusting parameters and assumptions on the fly.
Introduction to Fynapse. Meet Fynapse, our cutting-edge AI-enabled finance hub designed to handle granular, validated transaction data for more efficient financial analysis.
So let's talk a little bit about Fynapse, our finance hub, and AI-enabled reporting. So what does AI reporting need to function? Well, it needs a central source of granular data, so a transaction level data that as a business you have confidence in. This data should be already validated and ideally, in our experience, put into a code block hierarchy rather than a vast unstructured set. So while AIs can process huge volumes of data, those volumes are still nothing compared to business volumes as a whole, and thus there will still be a degree of aggregation involved, however, to a much lesser extent. So you can think of an AI as being able to process around 1,000 times what a human can look at once in the span of a few seconds, which sounds like a lot, but when talking about business volumes in the millions or billions of transactions, you still need degrees of aggregation involved at the beginning when you're first looking at the data.
How Fynapse leverages AI in financial reporting. In this section, see how Fynapse transforms financial reporting through interactive AI, integrating data seamlessly and delivering actionable insights for strategic decision-making.
So those realities in mind, here's how Fynapse, our finance hub, leverages AI to transform financial reporting. So number one, we have interactive query handling with natural language. So Fynapse serves as the centralized finance hub, integrating data from various sources into a single controlled environment. And critically, all data is available in a hierarchy. So its API and microservice connectivity allows modern AI to interact with these data points seamlessly, enabling finance users to query reports using natural language. This interaction isn't just about pulling data once or aggregating data once, but involves a conversational dynamic, and not just a conversation between the human and the AI, but also between the AI and Fynapse. So it can go back and forth. So the AI can first ask Fynapse for an aggregated view, and then it can ask for a more specific view as it drill downs into key points around the data. By structuring data hierarchically and offering that data in a real-time stream that critically is still subject to validation and financial control, Fynapse sets up the task and allows AI to operate at maximum efficiency and always stay pegged to the specifics of your data. Instead of excavating insights from unstructured data like an archaeologist, AI in Fynapse can act more like a librarian in a library where books are stored according to genre, subdivided by author, systemically accessing and organizing information. This setup enhances the efficiency and accuracy of AI data analysis, transforming complex data into actionable insights. By harnessing these capabilities, Fynapse not only advances the functionality of financial reporting with AI, but also transforms the strategic approach businesses can take towards data-driven decision-making. For a more hands-on experience and to witness these innovations in action, consider booking a demo of Fynapse today. Thank you.